Kong is one of the busiest cities in the world, owing to its fast-moving economy as well as the fusion of the West and the East. It attracts more than 20 million of tourists every year. But you may ask, why is this concrete forest so charismatic? Apart from the typical LV, money, and all that jazz, probably you'll find something very native and historical as well. Right, that is Tramway. Hong Kong Tramway has borne witness to the transition of the city from a fishing village to a prosperous financial center. The system was built in 1903 and began operation in July 1904. At that time, carrying over 240,000 passengers each day, it became a major form of transportation of Hong Kong Island. However, at present, even though you may still find lots of people traveling aboard during weekdays, it is definitely not the same as the past. The tram provides services to only part of Hong Kong Island. They run on a double track from Kennedy Town to Shau Kei Wan, so you can get on whenever you like, but be careful. Do pay attention to the payment. In the past, it's rather clumsy. Yeah, I mean, you are expected to buy monthly tickets as one of the 3 terminals who bring along with you every journey. But from now on, with technological advancement, the company has introduced a new system, and you can go with just one octopus card. Another piece of reminder, never get to the front door and pay the fare at once. Remember, you are not taking a bus, but a tram. Well, next time when you decide to explore more about Hong Kong, don't hesitate to go for the tram. Although you might think it's slow and time-consuming, do enjoy the journey, or you may find a totally different impression of the city. I'm sure you'll experience a taste of the modern and recall the oldies.